In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill Upwork tax information as a non-US citizen. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser, head to Google, and type Upwork. Click the official Upwork website and sign in to your Freelancer account. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner of the page and click your profile avatar. From the menu that appears, choose Account Settings. This is where all the important preferences for your account live. Inside Settings, navigate to the section where you manage your payments. You'll see an area labeled Withdrawals or Get Paid, and within that area, there's an option called Tax Information. Click Tax Information to open your tax profile. You're now on the page where Upwork collects the details it needs to comply with global tax rules. Find the Taxpayer Identification section and click the pencil icon to edit. You'll be asked to identify your status. Choose I am a non-US person. This tells Upwork that you're not a US taxpayer and ensures they generate the correct certification, typically a W-8 form, so you don't get asked for a US tax number you don't have. Next, enter the legal name of taxpayer. Type your full legal name exactly as it appears on your passport or government-issued ID. Avoid nicknames and use the same spelling and order you use for official documents. If you operate under a registered business, enter the legal entity name exactly as registered. You'll then see Federal Tax Classification. Select the classification that matches how you operate on Upwork. If you freelance as yourself, choose Individual. If you're using a registered company, select the option that corresponds to your entity. When in doubt, Individual is usually correct for solo freelancers working under their own name. Enter your date of birth in the requested format, and be sure it matches your identification documents. Then select your country of citizenship from the drop-down. This should reflect your passport or national identity, not necessarily where you currently live. Before you wrap up, review everything carefully. Names should match your documents and, ideally, the name on your payout method to avoid payment holds. Make sure the classification reflects how you operate on the platform. When you're confident it's accurate, click Save. Wait for the confirmation on screen so you know your updates were recorded. That's it. Your non-US tax information is now set up on Upwork. Keep it up to date if your legal name, entity type, or citizenship changes. This guidance is for general information only. If you're unsure about your classification, consider consulting a qualified tax professional.